Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This video is being recorded for BA students studying at Government Degree College Avelia. Other students can also use this one. Now I'm going to introduce a full assessment sheet because some students don't take interest in assignments and quizzes, etc. or presentation. But I would like to make it quite clear that this time around we are going to measure every sessional work and as well as this exams. uh, Here you can see this area, it talks about college and then Department of English, and this the title is full assessment sheet batch 2 spring 2020. Although it is being prepared for phonology class, but it is equally applicable to be a sixth semester, because after later on I'm going to design another sheet, evaluation sheet for those students studying in sixth semester. Okay, your course is phonetics and phonology. Okay, and code is mentioned here, 242. Okay, credit hours 3 and teacher's name is mentioned here. Now out of 100 marks, have a look here, 20% marks go to sessional work and 80% marks are exam. Now the 20% marks which are with the teacher, they as you can see, quiz and test, they are 10 marks. Okay, and assignment and presentation, we have 10 marks. Total session work is 20 marks. Now I have further bifurcated them. Now quiz marks have been given, the weight of the quiz marks is 5%. Okay, and test marks are 5%. Okay, out of 100. So now quiz 1, quiz 2. Here is a quiz which I gave you, although it was non-graded quiz, but I'm going to give you another quiz and then I will remove this data. So earlier quizzes were of 100 marks each, and the second quiz was 100 marks each. So out of that, let's say here's a name, roll number 2. This student got 54 out of 100 and then 69 out of 100. There were two quizzes. Okay, total marks obtained by this student is 123 out of 200. So when we calculate its 5%, it comes out to be 3.1. It means this student got 3.1 out of 5. So now inshallah soon we are going to design a test 1 and test 2. So the weight will be 5%. Okay, and if the test is of 20 marks and second test is of 20 marks, total marks will be 40. So out of 40, the marks obtained by the student will be written here and then 5% will be calculated. So total quiz and test marks, as you can see, will be 10%. Okay, it means there will be two quizzes. Okay, and there will be two written tests and the total weightage is 10%. Okay, now come to the remaining 10%. Okay, assignment 1, it carries 40 marks. It is a research assignment. Soon I will be giving you a written assignment on you are going to conduct a research study and you will write a report the way sixth semester students are writing a research report. So this carries 40 marks, but out of 40 the weight is 5%. Okay, then you have to present, you have to do a presentation known as defense seminar. The marks for this seminar are 60. So out of 60, your percentage will be calculated 5. Okay, total marks for assignment and presentation are together 10%. So it makes up a total of 20%. So total there are 20% marks for sessional work. So what you have to do, quiz 1, okay, quiz 2, then test 1 and test 2. So quiz 1 and quiz 2 5% marks, test 1 and test 2 5% marks, weight. Total marks are 10% for 2 quizzes and 2 tests. Now assignments. Assignment 1, okay, 5% marks, and presentation 1 is equal to 5% marks, total 10% marks. So hope you have got now. So midterm marks are 30 and final term marks are 50 and total marks are 100. Okay, now please have a look at this sheet. Now roll number 3, Alishba, you got 61 marks out of 100. You remember that I gave you a quiz in the class, although it was non-graded, but if we can't have another quiz, then these marks will be converted into graded marks. Otherwise, be ready, I'm going to give you an online quiz soon. Okay, and in another test you got 81 out of 100. So your total marks, obtained marks, were 142. Okay, let me maximize it. Okay, 142 marks were obtained by Alishba. So out of 200. Okay, 142 out of 200, total out of 200. So let's calculate your percentage. So see this one and this one, you got 142. We write like this: 142 divided by 200 here, as you can see, this one. Okay, and out of 5 multiplied by 5, so you got 3.6 out of 5. So your two quizzes, I mean quiz weight here, see, 5% quiz weight. Up till now you have got 3.6. okay, now next, when we are going to, let's say, we are going to design two written test, then your marks will be here. I will note down your marks here, and then when we make them to make a total, your marks will come here. Okay, so out of 10 your marks will be here. Then you will submit an assignment and I will enter the marks here, and then another presentation when we open up a college, or I may ask you to give a presentation on any recording device, let's say Zoom, etc. So your marks will be entered here, and this way this sheet will be completed. The purpose of showing you this sheet is that I have this automatic sheet. Okay, whenever I enter any score into it, all the remaining cells are calculated automatically. So as you can see, so this is the data of, let's say, here is Maryam Hafiz. She did not appear in this test, maybe she was absent. Zaid Arif is absent. Aisha Trimzi is absent in second test. Okay, and that's why score is 0.8 Aisha out of 5. So it means she has already lost. She has got only 1 mark out of 5 marks. So she has to work very hard in test 1 and test 2, and then presentation and assignment. Okay, so we are not going to give another chance to any student because we are quite busy, and every student now in 4th and 6th semester student, you should be quite vigilant about your grades. Okay, let's take you to the next page. Now here is Pakiza. She has got 2.8 out of 5. I mean I am talking about quiz marks. There were 2 quizzes given to you. Okay, Ariba has got 3.6 out of 5. Okay, 2.4 Muqaddas, Aisha 3.9. Okay, and then Muhawiya Altaf 3.3 and Wassam Khan 1.2. He was absent in this test, first test. Okay, then Svera Batul has got 3.6, and Zainab Tahir has got 3.6, Saad 1.8, Laiba 4. Okay, and Nimra Sajid 2.1 and Abdullah 1.5. So up till now this is your progress. Okay, so you sat in quiz 1 and quiz 2, although they were non-graded, but I entered the marks into this sheet. Later on, be ready for an online quiz. soon I will tell you I will tell you to watch this and that video, and on the depending upon the video content, I will design a quiz, and then I will send it to you, and I will upload it. I will email it to you. Okay, so each student will be given a time limit, and with that time limit you have to do the quiz. Okay, so hope now this sheet is with me, and I'm entering data into it, and I have shared this sheet in the WhatsApp group so that each student can have a look at their score. Now for sixth semester student, because the video they are also listening to this video, here let me show assignment weight. So there is a research report. They are writing a research report. Now they are supposed to complete the research report, because the marks of research report are 40. Out of 40, I will calculate the 5% marks, and then they are going to present their thesis, known as defense of the thesis. So again 5% marks. Students who are not writing any report, they are not taking interest, they will lose 5 marks. Okay, and student who will not present on multimedia, they will lose 5 marks, so they are going to lose 10 marks out of 20. Okay, same way, if some student is absent in written test, test 1 and 2, so 5 marks will be lost. Okay, and same is the case for BS 4 semester students. Okay, and I'm also designing projects for BS 4 students, so they will also write a research report, and they will also do our defense seminar. Defense seminar mean a presentation based upon research report. So you all have to be very serious, try to find ways and means to do the things, because every private institution is giving assignment. My two kids, rather three kids, study at home. My daughter is in grade 4, and daily home assignments come, and we have to make her sit at home, and she does the homework and she uploads the work back to the teacher. One student is in grade 8, Abu Bakr Ali, and daily he receives assignments and home task, and he does it and uploads back. Same is the case with 10th grade students. And every private institution is working hard and equipping their students. Unluckily, from our side, like government side, have not made it compulsory for our students, but still, you need to work hard, because when colleges open up, I think we won't have much time. So in a hurry, every teacher will be giving you assignments, quizzes, and courses will be covered in a crash program. So I don't want to compromise upon the quality. So I think you need to manage. So try to try to manage data connection, and it is you are not being made, you are not being forced to be online at the same time. I rather just give you 3 or 4 days, and within 3 or 4 days you have to manage. Because if we keep making excuses that I don't have laptop, I don't have smartphone, and this or that, so our study will not be completed. So you need to find out ways and means, and do the home tasks. Thank you very much for listening to this video.